Welcome to the Distributed Systems series. In this video, we'll explore Session Affinity, also known as sticky sessions. This is a critical concept for building scalable applications that maintain user state across multiple servers. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Session Affinity is, why it matters, and how to implement it in load-balanced systems. Session Affinity, or sticky sessions, is a technique that ensures all requests from a single user are routed to the same server within a load-balanced cluster. This is critical for stateful applications where user information is stored locally on the server. Without Session Affinity, user data would be lost when requests are routed to different servers, resulting in a poor user experience. Let's understand the difference between stateless and stateful applications. Stateless applications don't store any user data on the server. Each request is completely independent, so they can be routed to any server in the cluster. This makes scaling easier. Stateful applications, on the other hand, store user data locally on the server. Request context matters, and each request depends on previous interactions. These applications must route requests to the same server, which is where Session Affinity becomes essential. Let's imagine a scenario without Session Affinity. A user makes a request to a load balancer, which randomly routes it to any available server. On the first request, the user logs in and their session data is stored on server A, but on the next request, if the load balancer routes to server B, the session data is lost. The user gets logged out unexpectedly. Their shopping cart items disappear. User profile settings reset. This creates an inconsistent and frustrating experience. With Session Affinity implemented, the load balancer uses a technique to always route the same user to the same server. When a user makes their first request, the load balancer routes them to server A from that point forward. All requests from that user are routed back to server A. This ensures session data is preserved. The user stays logged in, and data consistency is maintained throughout their interaction with the application. There are three primary techniques to implement Session Affinity. First, hash-based routing uses a hash function on the user's IP or session ID to determine which server to route to. Second, cookie-based routing stores the server identifier in a cookie sent to the client. Third, IP-based routing identifies and routes based on the client's IP address. Each method has different use cases and limitations. In hash-based routing, the load balancer extracts the client's IP address or session ID, applies a hash function to it, and uses the result to determine which server to route to. The formula is simple. The hash of the client's IP modulo, the number of servers, gives you the server index. This ensures that the same client always gets routed to the same server. However, if you add or remove servers from the cluster, the hash changes, potentially breaking existing affinity. Cookie-based routing is more reliable. On the first request, the load balancer routes the user to a server. That server responds by setting a cookie on the client's browser containing the server identifier. On all subsequent requests, the client includes this cookie. The load balancer reads the cookie and always routes to the specified server. This method is more resilient because it doesn't rely on IP addresses, which can change, especially for mobile users. IP-based routing determines affinity purely based on the client's IP address. The load balancer hashes the IP to find the target server. However, this method has several limitations. Multiple users behind network address translation, or NAT, appear as a single IP, so they all route to the same server. Mobile network users experience IP changes, breaking their affinity. Virtual private network users appear with different IPs. And when you add or remove servers, the hash changes, disrupting existing affinity. Session Affinity has significant advantages. It preserves session state and user data, improving the user experience. It's simple to implement and works seamlessly with stateful applications. You don't need database synchronization across servers. However, there are trade-offs. Load distribution becomes uneven if certain users generate more traffic. If a server fails, that user's session is lost. Dynamic scaling becomes harder because adding servers disrupts affinity. Server maintenance causes downtime for affected users. Session Affinity is essential for e-commerce shopping carts, user authentication and login sessions, real-time chat applications, multiplayer game servers, and analytics dashboards with State. Best practices include using cookie-based routing when possible, since it's more reliable than IP-based approaches. Implement session timeouts for security. Consider stateless architecture as an alternative for better scalability. Add session replication for server failover protection. And continuously monitor server load distribution to ensure even traffic. Let's recap the key points. Session Affinity ensures that user requests are routed to the same server in load-balanced systems. There are 3 main implementation methods: hash-based, cookie-based, and IP-based routing. Cookie-based routing is the most reliable for modern applications. There are trade-offs between preserving state and optimizing load distribution, and you should consider stateless architecture as an alternative solution when appropriate. Understanding Session Affinity is essential for building scalable distributed systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.